show you how to color this part of Lord Jagannath. Let's see how I do it. First, apply a mixture of red and black in the darker parts like this. Now apply a mixture of red, orange and yellow in the remaining part, and you have to do it quickly while the darker color is wet, and blend it with a clean brush. And add yellow for light tones and orange for mid tones, and blend it with a clean brush. Use black color with water and apply on the part where you will draw the jewelry. Now in the hand, use yellow color, and for the dark tones in the hand, use yellow arch color. For the mala in the hand, apply a mixture of brown and white, and after it dry, apply the white color over it. Take a earbud and fill it with a yellow arch color. Now add black colors under the jewelry to make the shadow, so it will look more realistic. Now add some details in the pillar with black color. The Jagannath is now ready.